everybody, this is Adam with the DirtyMagYakers, back at it again, out here alone. I'm going to jump in a kayak, do an old hot spot that we had where we found a couple of pistols, a lot of German coins, small safe, things like that. So we'll see if this river still produces, and then this may be a compilation of a lot of other, bridges and areas and whatnot. So I'm going to get out there, get started, and see what we can find. And also, if you're new to the channel, you may like what you see. You never know. Give us a like and subscribe if you do like it. If not, then we do appreciate you coming and trying us out. But I'm gonna get out there and see what I can find. All right, first catch of the day. This thing's heavy. Check that out, a rotary telephone. Oh, that is cool as heck. Check that out. Quite heavy too. I love the colors. That is awesome. Something was on it. It fell off. See if I can drop down and get it again. Straight on it. Let's see what we got. Come on. Oop, hit the bottom of the... Yeah. Okay. I don't know. What? I'll take it. This is heavy. Look at that joker. Phone there. Oh no. There we go. Now I gotta get it off this piece. It's crazy. Let's see what we got. It's a nut, some sort of bolt. I pulled this up out of the water to check the magnet, and there's a air pressure, I guess you put like an air gauge or whatever. Alright, I pulled it up for a second time. There's a pile of batteries on here. I thought there was shells, like rifle shells, but they're batteries. Check this out. Found more coins. Discovery zone. It won't really focus, but that is awesome. And more finning. I found this stuff here before. This is German money. Oh, that's so cool. Pull it slow. I had to tug on this thing, and I felt it let go to the bottom. Oh my god! Oh, yes, son. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Dude, oh my god, it's been such a long time since I found one. Yes! Man, that thing helped. It's got this thing. Holy crap, look at that. Man, oh man. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. Back in the water we go. Yes. Just pulled the magnet up, and this little guy was on here. It's a little stainless steel spoon. The way that's bent, I would say crackheads were smoking rock out of this. All right, just a quick little update. The police have been called. I'm going to sit here and wait on the police to get here. I'm going to turn... I'm right next to the road. I'm going to turn the camera on so you guys can get a good look at this thing. Look at that. Look at the serial number, plain as day. I'm not going to touch it because I'm just going to let them do their due diligence and run the numbers, and I will give you guys an update.
How you doing?
Good, good. Here she is right here. See if you wanted to run the numbers, and it clear as day right there.
I was going to ask you how you found it, but I see.
Oh yeah. Yeah, me and my brother, that's the third one we pulled out of here.
You're magnet fishing.
Yep. And yeah, I know sometimes they'll run the numbers, and if it ain't stolen, if it's inoperable, I mean, I've hung them on my wall. That's all we do with them. We don't clean them up and shoot them, but I don't know what your protocol is.
Yeah, we gotta put it in evidence.
Oh, okay.
Where's the name?
All right, guys, here's the update. It's dark now. The officers are behind me. He's still running a few things, but he and my light just went out. So anyhow, he's leaving. Gun didn't come back stolen, but there was a shooting less than a mile up the road, so they're still going to take it, put it in evidence, and investigate it and see if they can get anything off of it more than a serial number, maybe some ballistics or whatever. They're not going to find any fingerprints because water, a gun that's soaked that much in water, fingerprints are gone. But anyway, hopefully I'll get it back, but if not, it's okay. Y'all have seen our videos. We got plenty, trophies to hang on the wall already. So, but anyway, I'm gonna get back here and go home. I'll keep throwing clips out here. Love all you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the daylight. Yeah, a few days later, I'm out here. This is a second drop. Whew. What is that? It's like a huge breaker bar. It's tapered on one end, it's kind of square on the other. It's a little bit heavy. Let's see what we got. Nothing special. More brute. Oh. All right, I'll be back. I'm gonna try to get it. See if I can get it while I'm right here. Which is not gonna fall straight down. It's probably gonna do this and be over there somewhere. Let's see. Let's see. Womp womp. I'll find it. This is many days later. I'm at the Chattahoochee River, and first piece of metal is interesting. Oh man, this thing was heavy for a little bit, then it got light, but I'm still gonna pull it up anyway. See if there's anything. Nope, nothing. Try that again. There's not much current with the kayak, so I got up here on the bridge. It's probably just a piece of rebar. There's definitely some on the magnet. I just can't see it because it's straight up and down. Piece of rebar. Pretty hefty too. Got a couple of decently heavy items coming up. So this I'm not sure, probably rebar. And this is it's got threads, it's like a union, and it's been cut, but it's not real heavy. Still cool. So if you ever kayak over to a bridge and get out, make sure it's secure, because yeah, there's my ship out there. This kind gentleman right here is he's seen it from way out here, and he come over and asked me if it was mine. He's gonna go get it for me, so it's really awesome of him. I'm kind of hoping my paddle's still around too, but I appreciate you, man.
I just thought I saw you up there, and then I was like, oh, there's somebody piece right there on the side, and then I'm like, wait a second, that's
Just randomly pulled the magnet out. It's got a huge battery on it, and then two other pieces of random metal. Got a battery and a spring. Last pull of the day, produces a bolt, and then Budweiser. Well, alright everybody, that does it for another video from the Dirty Magyakers. I'm Adam. I was out here alone. This is kind of a week and a half, 2 week long video, just compilations of clips of different bridges, different days. Whenever I had time, I'd run out and throw off a bridge or jump in a kayak over here. I came to this spot behind me, kind of my last stop for the day. Didn't find anything, so hopefully you guys will enjoy everything else you've seen in the videos. The gun was crazy. I did call them back, and they say that their protocol is they don't give it back, they destroy it, but ATF always says different, because you've seen in our videos and in some of our intros and outros that I've got 30 something guns hanging on my wall, so it's kind of absurd. I wish they let us keep things like that every time. But anyway, it was fun getting it out. I'm excited. I finally, like that feeling just never gets old, even though we found a lot. But anyhow, if you're new to the channel, if you like what you've seen, please hit that like and subscribe button, spread the word. We love being out here. We love you know, making you guys smile, maybe giving you something to do when you're bored, and all the feedback. You know, we do read comments and respond every so often. They do pile up, but we do read all of them, and we do appreciate you guys' support, love, your suggestions, anything like that. Also, if you check the description down below, there'll be 2 links there. One is for Proof Magnetics. You'll get 10% off for the DMY Bros code. Go out there and get your magnets. They're really strong, powerful. You'll like them. Also, the other one will be for Cool Breeze Has. So today is Mother's Day, and by the time you guys see this, it'll be 2 or 3 weeks later. But as of right now, I'm wishing all of you a happy Mother's Day. I'm going to get out of here. I'm Adam, DirtyMagYakers, and we'll see you next time.